Welcome to Edelbrock, everybody. Glad to have everybody here. Appreciate that. Don, would you like to say a few words?
Thank you, Kerry, and hello, everyone. I can't tell you how excited I am to announce the new Edelbrock Racing Center, which we're opening in North Carolina. Right down the road is the Pat Musi Racing Shop in Mooresville. So we're going to be making racing heads in that side of the country and doing the final porting in Mooresville in concert with Pat. So it's a big day for us. It's a big step forward in the racing category. I'd also like to just acknowledge we're going to be partnering with the Centroid company. We just purchased a brand new state-of-the-art Centroid machine to do the final porting with Matt Gamble's supervision. Matt is in charge of our cylinder head business at Edelbrock. He's a graduate of San Luis Obispo University Mechanical Engineering, and he's been doing porting for us for about the last 8 years. He's one of our best and brightest. He's the senior engineer in our cylinder head business, and we're just absolutely pleased as punch to have him as part of the team and leading the cylinder head business for our company. So with that, I'd just like to ask Pat if you'd like to say a word or two, and John, if you'd like to say a word or two, that'd be good too.
We're going to take this deal forward. We're going to have some killer stuff coming along the way, and we're going to have it. We need to be involved in racing. Everybody agrees we're all on the same page, so it's a lot of work. We want to stick with a team that's worked with us for years, and we have a great team.
Yeah. We are very excited at Centroid to be the supplier of choice for Musi and Edelbrock, and happy to be associated with that to move their cylinder head CNC porting program to where it needs to be.
With that, we'll just close it out and say thank you very much for coming to the announcement.